After the 90 minutes of football action, our Linkley Sports Stadium, Kumasi Asante Kotoko 1, Young Apostles 1. Quite a shocking result though, because Kumasi Asante Kotoko now will be expected to say a victory against Young Apostles. But unfortunately, Kotoko underrated Young Apostles for no in the first half. Second half, and a Young Apostles now good. No? Yes, honor ni brene chassis. A game, to be real honest, also Kotoko very game in the first half with so much seriousness, but unfortunately, it's not second half for Moshe one no any breye any beteka details and more. Four things we learned. Mohamed Kamara and I smart, Samba Emmanuel Entry, Che Dramana, Albert Amwa, Baba Yaya, Joseph Ablo, Lord Amwa, Andrew Sintimeno, Peter Miduakwa in the course of the game, and Michael Chedram and Efrima, Dauda Saka, Ebem, Lord Amwa, Efrima, Patrick Asiedu, and so Ebem, as an only confirmation of changes kakra, Yehu, Ewo, game, no. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, first half, not to say an Americano. Some of the things we learn essay chances in the first half, to be real honest, at least Kotoko were creating chances. So the problem was not Kotoko into me and converting those chances into a proper goal into enema ekofa sans and same way in our buy no. Now make us say changes no Baba Yaya and Efrimuma Patrick Esiedu by emu no ewo hono. Yes, and Chejamana Efrima Saka Dauda by and Emmanuel Kote. And so Ebeyi Lord Amwa Efremu. It only changes confirmation. So that's how the game went. Second half, you're buying 8 minutes and a Daniel Lomote. A share goal no against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It was a loss of moment between center backs, no, obviously. Omunye robot and Omunya goal no through that. Daniel Lomote a share goal no. In the 31st minute, Samba O'Neill and Joseph Ablo, Mujin Johanna, Daniel and the firm book a them. Now, in the 31st minute, and Emmanuel Entry sole effort to nya ball between our ball carpet and it's a jump pay and a Kotomu Kotoko, a take. Then after Kotoko pressure, go and me Amba and a results in the age now 1-1. Unfortunately, Kotoko a concede this particular game, a home game, and Kotoko about draw no yenti na yenshene so Kamara a concede when me and keep clean sheet Kotoko next game is against Brekum Chelsea. Meanwhile Kotoko outstanding versus Insuatere man, and also any updates kakra or the full report.